the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some honey jerk salmon. Yes, guys, trust me, it's gonna be super delicious. Your family, your friend, everybody are gonna enjoy it. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. So guys, stay tuned. So as you can see, this is my salmon right here, and I'm using at least 5 pieces of salmon. Also I have 1 tablespoon of my dark soya, half of onion that I chop, 2 tablespoons of my wet jerk seasoning. I also have some honey, at least half cup of my honey, 3 cloves of garlic. Are my seasoning. Here I have half teaspoon of my fish seasoning, 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoon of my garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of my smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of my jerk powder seasoning, and at least 1 teaspoon of my black pepper. Okay, so first I'm just gonna take a paper towel and just dry my salmon, because you don't want it to be wet, because I'm gonna, fry it. Then I'm just gonna add some olive oil, at least 2 teaspoons, and my seasoning. Just gonna blend it. So guys, I'm gonna add my wet jerk marinade first. And guys, if you don't want it to be super spicy, instead of adding 2 tablespoons of wet jerk seasoning, you add at least 1 tablespoon, okay? I'm gonna rub it on. The jerk marinade smells so good already. No, so this is going nice. Rub it from the back as well. So now that I add all my jerk marinade, I'm just gonna add my seasoning. Just gonna gently sprinkle the seasoning. You can just pat it like so.
Coming at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan.
So my salmon is perfectly seasoned. This is what this look like. You can leave it to marinate for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Or guys, if you don't have the time, you just cook it as it is, okay? Yes, and I also leave back a bit of my seasoning for my sauce, yeah? So guys, here I have my pan on my stove, and I add at least 3 tablespoons of my olive oil. So my oil is already heated up, so now I'm gonna add my salmon. I'm gonna add it this way, not the back. I'm gonna allow it to fry, guys, for at least 3 to 4 minutes on each side, okay? So now, guys, I'm gonna take my time and turn my salmon. Nice there. Now I'm gonna remove my salmon. Gonna take my time. I'm loving the color. You have this nice jerk color on it. So I have 1 salmon leaf back and I'm just gonna add it, okay? So guys, this is the same pot that I use to fry my salmon. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some onion, okay? What you can do, if it's too much oil, you can also, you know, remove it and just leave back a little bit, okay? I'm gonna saute it for at least 15 seconds. So after 15 seconds, this is what it looks like. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my garlic. I have a crusher and I'm just gonna crush it. You can also use a knife to cut it. You don't have to use a garlic crusher, especially if you don't have it. Any garlic that's leave back in the inside, just remove it. You know, and waste nothing. Just gonna saute the garlic for another 10 to 15 seconds, okay? So for the meantime, I'm gonna try and make my sauce. So what I'm doing, I'm adding at least ½ cup of water to my bowl right here. I added to my seasoning, as you can see, and I'm also gonna add my dark soya. Gonna give it a stir, and now I'm gonna add it to my pot. You can always taste it to your liking. If you need any salt, you can also add a little bit of salt. I'm just gonna allow it to come to a simmer for at least 1 minute or so. Then I will add my honey, okay? So now that it has come to a simmer, I'm gonna add my honey. Honey. Give it a stir. It looks so good. If you want, you can also add a little bit of your wet jerk marinade. Yes guys, so I'm just gonna allow it to come to a boil for at least 1 minute, then I will add my salmon. Okay, I add at least half teaspoon because I want it to be, you know, not too spicy but a little bit spicy. Now that it has come to a boil, I'm gonna add my salmon. Then I turn on my stove to a medium heat. I'm gonna take my time and just add my salmon. Guys, it looks so good. I know that my family is gonna enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to add all the juice that leave back in the plate. Look at that. So yummy. So guys, I'm gonna leave it for at least 10 minutes. Okay, 8 to 10 minutes. I'm also gonna add some of my fresh thyme and some of my scallion. Just a little bit, you don't need a lot. This just gonna add, you know, more flavor. I'm just gonna half cover my pot. I don't want to fully cover it because I don't want, you know, it to make too much liquid.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.
So guys, my salmon is all finished. Woo! Look at that. Absolutely delicious. I'm gonna turn my stove off. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour that nice glaze on top. I don't want the glaze to be super thick. Guys, I'm telling you, it came out perfect. It looking super delicious. I'm telling you, this recipe is a must try. My family, myself, we all enjoy it. If you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. Okay, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share, guys. Share it. I'm sure that someone that you know will also enjoy it. I'm gonna put it on a plate for you guys and show you what it looks like on a plate. So this is what it looks like on the plate. You can serve it with some mashed potato, some white rice, whatever you prefer. Guys, I cannot wait for you guys to try it. It is super yummy. I'm telling you, this right here, as I said, it is a must try. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I really appreciate it. Bye guys, and enjoy.